Start of the ball game started by Central number 2 on the board, jersey number 212, jersey number 6, jersey number 8.
Oy, Jerry, kung saan ka pa talaga dumikit, ha? Di ba magkakalala naman sila?
First possession will be going to Team Centros, team by Bornales. Bornales ang team. Martin Vasquez, jersey number 2 Sablay, number jersey number 6. Broso pa si jersey number 2. 15 seconds to shoot. Baxi, pumukul ng 3 Sablay. Number jersey number 8, Sablay pa rin. Jersey number 10, Panova pass to jersey number 4, Martin. 15 seconds to shoot. Still jersey number 2. Bugsy pass to Gutierrez. 15 seconds to shoot. Sablay pa rin, rebound by Martin. Pass to Panova. Panova. Gutierrez, tumutalbo, pumuhol ng 3. Bibig, Gutierrez, Sablay pa rin. Rebound by Bornales. Bornales na mamadali, Bornales lumipad. Hirika! 15 seconds to shoot, Sablay pa rin. Reset po tayo, Pastor Ramos. Sablay, hindi mo may jersey number 6, Broso. Broso ang atake. 15 seconds to shoot. Broso bumukul ng 3, Sablay. Hindi mo may jersey number 8, Steven jersey number 4, Martin Solo.
Wala nang sablayan kay Martin. Solong solo.
Jersey number 2 dito kasumpong dumidiskarte 15 seconds to shoot. Broso mas to kasumpong 10 seconds to shoot. Dito jersey number 25 Ramos. Martin ang mamadali na pagkasampa sa sentro ball mo na. Jersey number 2 dito kasumpong 15 seconds to shoot. Bugsy perimeter shot. Sablay. Rebound jersey number 25 Ramos. Bornales. Easy to point. Broso, Pasto, Montalbo, 15 seconds to shoot. Bugsy, Sablay. Bornales, Pasto, Manover, Glenda, Broso.
Pinilit, ibinasa kay Martin.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Ramos with the shot. Rolling is good. Official score 6-0. Who take it off? AFA. Bugsy does it to Raveling violation.
Go, Sandro!
Martino Diriscate. Pastor Ramos. Ramos floater shot, no good. Steve Ramos again. Pass to the number 2, cross the move. Pass to Martin. 2 points. Broso atake. Mayroon pa rin. Paano ka? Passenger sa number 23, 2 points. Time out, center. Official score, 10-0. Romero nagbala pa ng bola. Exactly 5 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. Speed of Martin. Martin ang bilis natin. Tumba na sa Romero. Speed of Martin. Just 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Jersey number 293. Reverse shot. Sablay. Hindi mo taksi. Kapiling mo the ball ng Luminis Kate. 15 seconds to shoot. Broso atake. Sablay pa rin. Martin 2 points. Time remaining exactly 4 minutes. Broso. Pass to Romero sa gilid. Bumukol lang 3. Sablay. Back-save block with jersey number 23. Martin again. Pass to jersey number 23. There's a foul. Foul committed to jersey number 6. Broso. That's her first personal foul. First team foul. Time remaining as 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Martin Pumeke. 10 seconds to shoot. Ramos below the shot. 2 points. Last 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Oh my God! Going 15!
Broso atake. Sablay pa rin. Pass to the team. Speeder. Out of bounds. Center ball.
Uy, bakit center ball?
Romero. May foul po tayo. Ball committed to jersey number 4, Martin. That's your first personal foul. First team foul.
Mga kantsaw. Pag natalo, mga kantsaw.
First shot is good for jersey number 11, Romero.
Ang galing naman!
Sablay palawa. Rebound.
Red ball. Violates.
Romero again, exactly 3 minutes. Pass to Broso, bumukol lang 3. 3 points by jersey number 6, Broso. Paano ka? Ang bilis natin pass to Martin, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Kapili. Field by jersey number 223. Jersey number 223. 2 points.
Lolo, boyok na si... Nangyari kita?
Broso again, lumipad. Sablay.
Puta nga.
Jersey number 223 ng Bob Handel. Sa remaining exactly 2 minutes. Martin again for the shot. 2 points. Romero guarded by Martin.
Iiwan yung camera ko pag ako'y
15 seconds to shoot.
Hindi nakakasunod.
Substitution rep. Foul committed by jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, that's your first personal foul. Second, team foul. Bagsit. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Rosa, bumukol lang 3, Sablay. Rebound jersey number 23. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Paano ka?
Ay! Lumagi.
Out of bounds, center ball. Gutierrez naman. Gutierrez yung matake. Sablay Fred. Rebound by jersey number 27, Ramos. Ramos, little shot. 2 points. The official score, 24 into rock. Centro. Time remaining exactly 1 minute. Grosso 2 points. Seconds to shoot. Jersey number 33. Bumukol ng 3 Sablay. Ramos ay dahil Sablay ulit. 3 bumukol Rosso. That's 45 seconds. Rosso. Pass to jersey number 10. 15 seconds to shoot. Rosso by 3. Sablay. Time remaining exactly 30 seconds. Jersey number 2 and 3. There's a foul.
Dulo ko lang bola.
Jersey number 24.
Camera ko nandun pa. Hindi na ko lang bola.
Second team foul.
Hindi, wala ka pwede magbigay mo na kayo.
Substitution up. Time remaining last 24 seconds. Sablayan mo na. Pasok ang pangalawa. Last 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 10 seconds. Sablay. Last 5 seconds. And our first period official score. 216 in favor of AFA Red 5.